A lot of guns. A lot of guns. A lot of see what happens.
Oh shit.
Huh?
Hold on a second.
No, I can't. Oh, wait. No, I can't. I'll watch.
I'm gonna step back for this one.
In there. Alright. We're moving? Is it alright to you? How's that hitting?
Not comfortable to shoot from the bench.
Holy.
Much better with the 3F. No recoil at all either. I don't feel it.
Huh.
Really?
No, not at all. You just pull it back. There you go.
Okay.
It's a stiff trigger. Just hold on to it. It'll be fine. There you go.
Wow. Yeah, the recoil was really.
Yeah, very little.
Ah, it's doing good too. It's doing pretty good too.
You want to be next to him without emotes? No, I figured you would.
Did you just get through a whole clip?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
The Americans are in trouble now. I don't know.
Nah.
No? I didn't think so.
Simple.
Maybe.
Maybe?
I can't really tell.
Let me see if I can. The only way to really do it is to loosen up on the gun and let it bite you a little bit.
Ew. I don't think you want to do that.
No.
I can tell you from experience.
Move my nose back so I don't break it.
Yep. Again, experience.
That was pretty close. It was a little to the right.
Oh, I hit him in the right eye.
It's a lovely thought. God.
American son of a bitch.
Bullseye.
Gorgeous.
Sun's hitting about this high.
Yeah. Yeah, it's in there.
It's in there?
Yep.
It's all uneven though.
Yeah, I know.
That's alright?
Yeah, it's shaped. Do it again.
I don't think it hit it. Oh, there we go. Safety's off?
Yeah.
A little nervous.
What?
A little nervous.
Alright. You want eye protection?
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Make sure it's in there good.
Ow! I forgot how powerful that was.
Use your man muscles, come on.
Oh, what the hell?
Come on,
It
Dave.
doesn't want to.
You gotta push it hard.
That's a little more difficult than usual.
Alright, one more and then
As long as it's tight up against your shoulder, it should be good.
Ow!
Were you aiming?
Sort of. There we go.
Quick, Dave. I wasn't.
That was good. Yeah, that was good.
Want to use the slow pressure? Slow pressure.
That works pretty good. My dad used to reload. He's got a 12-pound cannon downstairs. So
I just used my last 12 pounds of 700X. Because you can't buy it in 12-pound containers anymore.
Oh, really?
They don't ship in anymore.
Yeah, only 7 pounds or something.
8 pounds. 8-pound plastic. I just
10 rounds.
I just ordered 8 pounds. Yeah, normally.
Yeah, you gotta get it. The shipping is insane.
It's in through the club, so it comes in with $20,000, no shipping.
Oh, that's not bad. I drive down to a couple times a year. I go out to like the.
Yep.
Oh wow.
Does it feel so weird?
Yeah, that's. You like that one? It's nice, right? It's comfortable.
Yeah, the shells.
Huh? Oh, this one? Yeah. 22.
Misfired?
It doesn't like that wolf ammo for some reason. It doesn't like
Sounds
it.
amazing.
The way the primers are set.
Maybe it would be better to stand over there. They're all coming right at me. That's so cool.
Don't let us bring it to the country anymore. The wolf.
Oh,
you
yeah, I'm ready.
That one didn't make it. Went down like 6 benches.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
That one hit.
Ooh. It's unpredictable.
Goes everywhere.
That's gone.
It went down 4 benches.
Beautiful.
It shoots so nice.
Imagine the 30 round clip. You know what? That gun fires just as quick as the 1022 if you wanted to.
Oh no. I'm in. Oh right.
Load it.
Okay, take your time and fire out what you have in your firearm and prepare for a ceasefire.
Yeah, you got 2 more. You can finish emptying it. Another misfire, huh? Yeah, that's good. We'll just continue it afterwards. We'll just take that out.